when you fall back. Giving me signs that I've seen before. Yeah, it's cute, but honey, I want more. Don't waste no more time. No, no. There's no use playing hard to get. I figured you out, but you don't know it yet. So take off your mask. Yeah. Love is just around the corner, babe. To do what we want, I wanna get in shape with you all night. All night. Imagine us there.
Past the halfway point and he's earned a break. I'm sorry, I had to pick this camera back up. I want to introduce this because I'm going to load up some material for you guys from my sister's birthday party. She just turned 51 on Friday, December 24th, Christmas Eve. Then we celebrated Christmas with my grandmother and the family. So I'm gonna just introduce that vlog, just show you a little bit of my holiday, just to give you a little something about what's going on around hell. But I really just, I'm learning still. I gotta get this camera, learn my camera, and I want to be more professional. I don't have any help. I can't ask these old school vloggers, teach me how to do it. I see that Gina's helping her friend Jay Corinne, which of course. And I guess you just got to be in the vlog world so somebody can, help you out as far as technology and how that editing. I mean, you can get the content, but you got to learn how to edit it. You got to know YouTube and a little bit about the technology. So anyway, this is just my holiday week. Last week, a little shopping I did. My life. And that's about it. Love you guys. Like, share, and subscribe.